Good afternoon everyone, I'm here in National Museum of Qatar and soon you are gonna see more and more videos from here. Thank you. So finally I have arrived here in National Museum. This is the entrance. This is how it looks once you enter in the premises. It looks not that big from outside, but the moment you enter from first gate, you will feel like you are gonna have so many gates, 1, 2, 3. So this is the main entrance. So I have entered inside this museum. The first thing you will find the security scanners. They will scan your bags, your wallet, mobile, any metal you have with you, and then here you have to present your ID. This is how it looks once you come in the first floor by escalator. So the very first thing you're gonna have in this museum is this big fish and many digital LCD panels